In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Zara purchase history. Whether you're trying to keep track of your latest wardrobe additions or just want to review your past orders, finding your purchase history on Zara's website is simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, you'll want to head over to Zara's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Zara's URL or using a search engine to find their homepage. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a clean and minimalist design, a signature of Zara's online presence. Check that you're on the right site, as this will ensure that everything runs smoothly as we proceed. Next, head to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see an area that's personalized for user navigation. It's marked by either your name or a profile icon if you're already signed in. If that's not the case, go ahead and log into your Zara account. The login is usually a simple process with your email and password or through a linked social media account. Remember, having an account is essential for accessing your order history along with many other personalized features, so make sure you're logged in before moving on to the next step. After clicking your name or user icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find several options related to your account management. Look for the option labeled Purchases and click on it. This is your gateway to seeing all your past transactions with Zara. Clicking on Purchases will bring up a detailed list of all the things you've bought. It's a helpful feature that allows you to review the articles you've ordered and any related information like order dates, amounts, and delivery details. This section can be especially handy if you're tracking a recent purchase's shipment or if you need to reference a previous order for returns or exchanges. Knowing how to access your purchase history can save you time and effort, facilitating smoother communication with customer service. Plus, it's a great way to keep a personal record of your fashion trends and shopping habits. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can access your purchase history on Zara's website. Understanding and managing your past purchases has never been easier. And it's a great example of how modern e-commerce platforms provide added convenience to enhance your shopping experience. Whether you're checking up on that stylish jacket you ordered last week or simply ensuring your spending stays on track, having this access can be incredibly beneficial. Thank you for joining me today and happy shopping!